Your website is often the fastest way to give your AI agent a broad understanding of your business, since it can pull information straight from pages you already have. Much like your FAQs, your website is crawled automatically during onboarding, so most of the heavy lifting is already done. From there, it's really about going in to review, edit, and improve what's been pulled in, or adding more pages if you need to. To do this, go to Automations, then Agents, select your agent, open Knowledge, and find the Website section. To add a page, click to add a new website link, enter your URL, and add it. Your agent will scrape the content automatically, and you can fine-tune what's included by unchecking any pages you don't want it to use. If something on a page has changed, you can edit the content manually too. A couple of things worth knowing. Your agent reads the text on your pages, so images, carousels, and other visual elements won't be picked up, and some information inside tables may not come through. It's worth reviewing the pages it pulls in to make sure everything's accurate and relevant. How many pages your agent can crawl depends on your plan, ranging from 100 pages up to 10,000 on higher tiers. And if you're on a paid plan, your website is recrawled automatically. So whenever you make changes on your site, your agent's information updates to match without you having to do a thing. For more assistance, visit the Talk.to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist today.